Yo, hello everyone. If you are new to Jira, the popular project management software, this video is for you. We will show you how to get started with Jira from creating a project to adding tasks and assigning them to team members. You will learn how to track progress, communicate with your team, and much more. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. The first thing that I will need you guys to do is simply head up to your browser and click into the URL section and search for Jira, as you might see here. Now, let's go ahead and search for Jira official website. So it's around here. Yep, here it is. And as you can see, it is Jira official website. So now we can try to get Jira for free just by clicking on this button. Right from here, you can create an account using an email. So signing up with an email, which is the longest process, or just continue with Google. So let's try Google, which is the easiest process. And I usually do this because it is very simple, very easy. And they create you an account in a couple of seconds. Now, just add your sites, for example, like that. No credit card is required, which is pretty good. And we have created our account successfully with Jira. And now, one moment, our site is being created. So here we go. When you get and explore all the products you've purchased, so you can here create a project, explore Jira product features. You will find everything from dashboard, project, issues and filters, and Jira settings. So I will show you everything, guys, in detail. It just may take some time. As you can see here, this loading line is taking a little bit longer than usual, but yeah, it will take for you guys around 5 minutes maximum to create the dashboard. So guys, I will quit right now and I will be right back after the dashboard will be created. So back to you guys. Now select a template for your first project. Here you'll find three templates: the Kanban, Scrum, and Job. For me, I'm going with the Kanban because it is a simple table to visualize our workflow. The other ones has like something like plan, prioritize, and schedule work using agile sprint with a backlog, board, and roadmap. And the other one is designed to help your business team collaborate and communicate with lists and calendar views, forms, and more. So let's go with the first one, which is the Kanban one, as you can see here. Now let's go and click on following, and here give a name to your project. So I'm going to name it, for example, tutorial. So here we go. And then click here to show more if you want to add team settings. And then click on create a project. It is as simple as that. Now just wait, select some tools now and we will help you connect them later. So I'm going to choose Google Sheets. I'm using also Microsoft Teams and GitHub. Then click on following if you'd like. If you don't, click on ignore. Now the dashboard has been successfully created for us. Now I'm going to change the language real quick, guys, and I will be right back to you. Unfortunately, guys, I had some problem translating the website, but I will just keep translating it with this function that I have in my Google Chrome. So anyway, this is the dashboard, and here in the top like menu, you'll find your job here, who assigned to me, recent paintings, here the project that you have, here the filters, the dashboard, and the teams that you are working with, or if you would like to create a team, and the apps. These are the apps that I showed you before. If you'd like to add them or not, it is completely up to you. Now let's head up and click on create to create a ticket. Here we have to choose the tutorial, which is our project that we are working on, and the ticket type. We can make it's either stain or epic. Epic means it is more important than the others. Now here state to do. This is very important to choose. Summary. Here you just have to put some summary about it. For example, that's a title, and here put a description for it. Here responsible, assigned to me, or automatic, or if there is someone here in the team, you can give it to them. Here the started date and the due date. So here when you are going to give them, and here when it must be finished. here the issue color, and finally here the reporter. And if you'd like to add any attachments, for example, some documents that will guide the other members finish this task, you can add them through here. Just add the documents, and here fill these others and then click on create. So let me just add here a name, tutorial, so we can take a look on how the actual ticket is going to look like. And here we go. So this is the ticket. It is epic, as you may see. This is the color that I have chosen, and this is the description. I keep it empty. I can add it here a description if I'd like to. And this is like the file that we have added, or the attachment. So if it's back to the project and I clicked on tutorial, you will find it over here. So this is the tickets that we have made. Let me just clean this. So we can here create the tickets as well, just as an idea, and everything will be shown in our project or our roadmap. So this is the tutorial, and this is the ticket that we have to work on, for example. And it is very useful, guys, as you may notice. Here you have the day, the calendar, everything here is in detail. So it is very useful to have this software if you are working with your team, or even if you are working solo. It's very useful because it will maintain and organize everything, every task for you and for your team. And in another way, it can also motivate your team members to work much faster and harder than they usually do, because once they've seen that other members are completing their task faster than them, they will try to make their work faster and work harder than they usually do, and that will create kind of like a motivational ambience between your members. And this is what you are looking for, I think. This is what everyone is actually looking for, not only you guys. So it is pretty easy, as I showed you, to create a project. You can just go here and create a new project if you'd like to. Again, here's just through the template that I've showed you before. I'm using this Kanban template, so we can use it. And from here, I'm just gonna keep everything simple. As you may see, you need to create a project if you decide to change the project later on. So I'm going just to keep it simple here, like that, and select project managed by team or my company. Here, give it a name, and the key will be created for you. So here we go, and create a project, and the project has been created. It is very easy, guys, as you see. So yeah, guys, that was completely it. I hope you like this video. If you have any kind of questions or problems, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer all of your questions one by one. I read all your comments, guys, so make sure to leave me a comment. And if there was any kind of hard question, to leave a comment for it or an answer to it, I will just record a new video in the upcoming days to make sure you guys are satisfied 100%. So once more, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.